Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US is sanctioning Tornado Cash, an Ethereum mixing service for allegedly helping North Korea launder millions of dollars stolen in cryptocurrency hacks. Hackers tapped Tornado Cash to launder some of the funds stolen from the $622 million Ronin network hack back in March. Oil prices inched up from multi-month lows as lingering worries about demand weakening on the back of a darkened economic outlook outweighed some positive economic data from China and the United States. Russian stocks were given a reprieve and the ruble strengthened after the country's top stock exchange decided not to allow some foreign investors to trade Russian shares for the first time since February. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 3% in the last session after gaining as much as 4.5% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The US unit labor costs will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Producer Price Index at 2350 GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 0930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.